So good evening, everyone. This is Ntale Sam. So I'm going to present about intrusion detection systems. So I'm going to be brief because of time. So I'll start by defining intrusion detection system. An intrusion detection system is a system that monitors network traffic for suspicious activities and issues. Alert when such activities are discovered. So this system is installed at the back of the firewall just to monitor the flow of the packets or traffic via the network or the system. So it has to detect whether the packet meets the standards or policies of the system. Once it violates one of them, that packet is either suspended or reported to the system administrator for further actions. So intrusion detection systems are classified into 5 types. So I'll be brief also about them. First of all is network intrusion detection system. This system is set up at a planned point within the network to examine traffic from all devices on the network. It's like it monitors the entire network. So it is not specifically targeting a certain section or load, but it monitors all the entire network. The second point is host intrusion detection system. This system runs on independent hosts or devices on the network. A host intrusion detection system monitors the incoming and outgoing packets from the devices only and will alter the administrator if suspicious activity is detected. So another classification, protocol-based intrusion detection system. This comprises of a system or agent that would consistently reside at the front of a server, controlling and interpreting the protocol between a user and a server. So want to access the information on the server, there are protocols you have to follow. Once the protocol is violated, you can't access the data from the server. So the protocol-based intrusion detection system is installed before access to the server. The other classification, application protocol-based intrusion detection system. This is a system that generally resides within a group of servers. It identifies intrusion by monitoring and interpreting that communication on application-specific protocols. So for example, let me take an example of MTN. So MTN has different servers. So in between them, there is an application protocol based intrusion detection system. It is to control the flow of packets from one server to another, all access of information from one server to the other. And the last one is hybrid intrusion detection system. This is made by the combination of 2 or more approaches of intrusion detection system. In hybrid intrusion detection system, host all agent system data is combined within the network information to develop a complete view of the network system. So we have the methods of intrusion detection systems. First of all is a signature-based methods. Signature-based intrusion detection system detects the attacks on the basis of the specific patterns such as numbers, bytes, number of bytes, number of ones, or number of zeros in the network traffic. So in case there is forgery, it is the signature-based methods to check and verify for that. So a numerical-based method. This method was introduced to detect the unknown malware attacks. New malware are developed rapidly. You know, we are in the world of hackers. So every day and every night, people don't happen to create new malwares. So in case of any, it has to be handled by that. So we have the intrusion prevention systems. An intrusion prevention system is a network security application that monitors the network all system activities for malicious activities. IPS typically record the information related to observed events, notify security administrators of important observed events, and produce reports. So the IPS normally records any security error, makes a report, and notifies the administrator about what is going on within the system. So you have classification of intrusion prevention systems. Intrusion prevention systems are classified into four types. We have the network-based intrusion prevention systems. It monitors the entire network from suspicious traffic by analyzing protocol activities. We have the wireless intrusion prevention systems. It monitors a wireless network for suspicious traffic by analyzing wireless networking protocols. Network behavior analysis. It examines the network traffic to identify threats that generate unusual traffic flow, such as this distributed DOS info, that is distributed denial of service attacks, specific forms of malware and policy violations. Host-based intrusion system prevention systems. It is an inbuilt software package which is operated at a single host for doubtful activities by scanning activities that occur within that host. We have the detection methods. Let me just read through them. We have the signature-based detection method. You can as well read as I explained before down. Statistical anonymous-based detection and stateful protocol analyzing detection. So we have benefits of intrusion prevention systems. Multi-threats protection. The IPS offers zero data threat protection, mitigates brutal force password attempt, and provides protection against availability threats such as the denial of service attempts, worms, viruses, exploits, and others. Have policy protection. IPS compare network traffic against a lot of known malicious traffic and doesn't store all view content. Reputation managed protection. IPS subscribes to a reputation-based list of known malicious sites and domains, which it uses to proactively protect the The network. Selective logging. The IPS only records network activities, maintaining the police and network users. Dynamic threat protection and response. So I'll end with the disadvantages of intrusion prevention system. When a system blocks up abnormal activity on a network, assuming it is malicious, it may be false positive and lead to the dose to a legitimate user. If an organization does not have enough bandwidth and the network capacity, IPS tool could slow a system down. If there are multiple IPSs on a network, data will have to pass through each to reach the end user, causing a loss in network performance. IPS may also be expensive to install. Thanks. Have a good evening.